A warning. The video you're about to watch is confronting, but the world needs to see it. So please, watch it and share it with everyone you know. Then head over to unarmed.com and sign up so I can send you the rest of what's really happening on our streets right now in Melbourne, Australia. As thousands of unarmed, mostly construction workers, marched Melbourne streets in protest of the world's longest and harshest lockdown, they suddenly found themselves confronted by an armoured vehicle operated by a counter-terrorism squad backed by hundreds of riot police.
Live now in Melbourne, this is what's happening. This is for our health. In Melbourne, live now. They've separated the groups, firing tear gas. It just suddenly kicked off. There are hundreds of riot police now. The crowd is separated. Half have gone that way, the other half in there. Yep. Come out of the way. And we've just seen what has unfolded here, where riot police in an armoured vehicle that they have not deployed till now in protest. In fact, I've covered protests here for years and haven't seen that. That was meant to be counter-terrorism, I believe. And now they are marching towards the crowd again to engage them, unprovoked. There was zero violence from protesters. Let's make that clear. There was no violence from protesters.
5 people arresting 1 man. Wow.
No way.
Amazing.
Don't breathe. Don't breathe.
You can't breathe.
This is one of many construction workers injured by the unprovoked police violence on Melbourne Street. He'd been shot in that counter-terror police assault we just witnessed with this rubber bullet. His head is bleeding, and the man is clearly struggling to breathe from the tear gas and violent arrest.
Now that protest, tell us where it is. I'll go there. So, are they over there? Oh, no, I want to just it's my choice. I will get arrested. It's cheaper than prison, believe me. If I get arrested, if I get a fine, it would be... Okay.
Right. He told you to go that way and you said, is that where the protesters are?
Yeah. I watch it. So.
You're what we call in Australia a smart ass.
Ah, really?
Are you Israeli by any chance?
We are. Yes.
That explains a lot.
Yeah. Him speak to a microphone. He was in the crowd saying they're going down here, and then we saw him jump in there. So he was undercover, acting like he was in the crowd, and then he jumped in there. So
they did promise they're going to use new tactics today. I think this counter-terrorism vehicle is one of those tactics, and undercover officers.
turn around and go down there.
Where's it? Yeah, I'm all right.
I'm not saying you're not all right. I'm just asking you to move back.
Well, doesn't that just make you feel so safe, knowing that our tax dollars spent on beefing up Victoria's counter-terror capabilities has now been turned on the exact people they were designed to protect? But much more happened yesterday, so make sure to give me your details at yaminireport.com so I can send you the rest of the story that you won't see in the mainstream media. yaminireport.com. Sign up now.